Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Brave. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Brave app and we click here. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors on your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.